When do I need to install Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers? If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels with the inaccurate center hole data, there will be vibration at high speed. In this case, installing BONOSS Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers can effectively stop the rubbing issue.
Choosing a good set of
Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers
that can make a big difference in your performance. BONOSS wheel spacers are made of high-strength 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum alloy materials. After continuous tons of pressure, the forging process eliminates internal voice pockets and weakened metal parts, maximizing fatigue resistance and increasing impact strength.
Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers allow a larger wheel and tire to be fitted with a rubbing, by creating clearance to interior wheel components. This can prevent the tires from rubbing against the fender flares or suspension components when making turns or hitting bumps. As long as you use high-quality Toyota wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for your vehicle. Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories that install between the hub assembly and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. If you are investing in new offset wheels, then a set of Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacer will be perfect for those wheels. By pushing the wheels outward, wheel spacer provides improved stability and better appearance. The wider track gives you better control on the road.
BONOSS has built a completely authentication system. When you get BONOSS wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Each BONOSS Genius product is engraved with BONOSS, which are manufactured with BONOSS own factory. The quality is guaranteed.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.